Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is RP. Now, today, again, we're going back to Portland. After a year about the Natty and Plummy story, by now you should have known the end result after it was said that Natty met the man them things were missing, and I guess they dealt with him for them way. Unfortunately, his wife, Plummy, get caught in the madness. Then after that, you would have probably seen the video I dropped with Natty having a conversation with somebody who, if I had to bet, I would say it's a corrupt cop. Right? And them a plan the setup. Right? All the things them are go missing, and when if you run in and do this and all them things. Then right after we say police find 3,000 pounds of herbs. Then I see in Portland, it looks spooky. I could talk about it. Now, according to the Gleaner, I'm going to read this line directly from Gleaner. The Portland police last night seized around 500 parcels of compressed herbs on the Shanshai Beach in Bryans Bay. It is believed that the herbs was for the infamous drugs for guns trade between local fishermen and their counterparts in Haiti. So once again, making up things to get views and then just got lucky. Now that's the Gleaner come confirm it for me. I guess they might make up things to get views too. But anyway, the timing is rather spooky, no? You see, the phone call between Natty, I know people saying that the video at one point him says squaddy and all them things there. Hear this now. It's still spooky. Because the video or the audio, where you might say, you might go to the police to help notice. Him not say, help me out. Him not talk to the man on the phone for help. So that means if that policeman, I think it's a policeman. If it's a policeman, then him can or couldn't help Natty in that situation, which is strange to me. Because, see, this is how I'm looking at it. Natty and the shady policeman in a business. Then when 87 are threatening Natty, the conversation that goes something like this. Yo, the man I say, yo, you might come do this to me, so you need to take care right, because I see him police would have to take care right. So that's what confused me. Why now look to that policeman for help him? To deal with the man I'm talking about. Because in a them game there, let's say Cookie Cup and man at work. Man back against the wall, he might turn to the same Cookie Cup say, yo, I'm me in a business, so fix this. He might say, me I go to the police. When I'm going to talk to the police, them like say a two separate entity, like say this man they might talk to and the police to, even though at one point in the video them say squaddy. So people act like them, have it all figured out, but I would about things, I must scratch my head. But if I was a betting man, I would bet that is a corrupt cop I might talk to. And he must set up for them police come hold on for certain things, but the fact that him not, when him in a danger now, him now look to that cop for the help. So another angle is that maybe that corrupt cop is not from Portland. Because a Portland police him go file a report, a Portland police him go look for help. But if it's not from Portland, or out-of-town police are come Rockman foot and carry out apps, the whole thing spooky. And even though after the second video drop, a lot of people, I guess, looking like the man say, boy, case closed, see they all figured out. Me have only questions left to me. You see, if Natty lose him life, man get bring in and then herbs get found. That kind of give me the impression say, Water Commission is in the building. Some leaking start. But I wonder if even the leaking itself is a smoke screen. In these operations, in these cases, all we can do is speculate. So, Simon, also you know, obviously we don't know what's going on. We see 3 different events play out and we try to piece things together. That's what we do over here. Right? If me know what's going on, I tell you I know what's going on. Right now, I'm just looking at the news based on what me know from PIA Intel plus me listening to the news and I try to piece things together. I mean, I say look like some kind of leak in a go on. But the fact say the man we not it'll talk to is very likely to be a corrupt cop. That make even the quote unquote bust spooky. Because alright, 3,000 herbs valued at $8 million. Yeah, I mean that's something, but they're not gonna stop none. This could very well be one of them diversion, them smoke screen. See, we've made a big bust and success. And then people clap them hand and say, well done, things are going. But you see, because I've seen many of these cases over the years, and especially when it comes on to herbs, especially when it comes on to the diet coke, you know, say them man they are masters at the smoke screen. Them man they will give you one boatload, right? So you can get happy, clap your hands, right? And 300 boat gone, and things get delivered. Right? So you can't too far, right, for the smoke screen. So I hope the security forces, assuming everything I say genuine, nobody feel like say this is any kind of, you know, making any great strides. 3,000 pound of herbs, man, they can get that back by tomorrow morning. But at least now, there's no more question for ask. The herbs for Gun Street is strong in Portland, because you see when we first do the video, people that message me, as usual. I know for these people are agents, by the way, right? But some of them generally in the dark. I try to convince me, say, in a Portland, lovely Portland, nothing like that can't go on in a Portland. Right? How come in the ear say, if that didn't go on, then how come in the ear say? Right? It's alright. I make it up. Right? Make it up to get views. Right? Nothing not go on in a Portland, the herbs not move over there if you go hate it, nothing like that. So, at least now we know so the question is done, because some people, unless them see it in a gleaner or them see it in an observer, nothing no go so. Right? Them can always dismiss what them hear over here so as, you know, a little YouTuber try to get some views, them can always just brush it off. But when them see it in them favorite paper, that's when them want to go, oh, I saw it go for real, Right, so now you can all you want. So the spotlight is on Portland. No more question needed is so. So even the people them in a Portland who for some reason never know what go on and think it was all smooth sailing and candies and lollipops, now the eye opener. Now see what things serious, and now understand why I say Portland, lovely Portland, can go in the opposite direction. Because any of them trade you anything to do with any kind of legal activity, especially at the 90 level and the 87 level, it's liable to go bad. Because probably one of the reasons why Haiti and the Portland link no flare up yet is because enough of the people them who based on Portland are 116s, and generally 116s crime they get too ugly. Right? Remember, them they really deal with the messy part. Right? Or I know people just say like, what's Sir P just say? Enough 116s are Portland? Yes. Enough 116s headquarters in Portland. It's quiet, it's peaceful. They can live in a them nice area, nobody no trouble them. Right? The average resident in Portland now walk go bother them, and them now bother the residents, so everybody depend them in them own local corner. Right? And them can carry out them activities. I mean, look which part them find this. You know where you find, right? Swoop down on where? Shanshai Beach. Right? Them said the herbs was ready to export. It was found in a hut on the beach. You know what them beach thing they got Portland? Now for the little spots them at Portland, no normal man can walk on them. I'm not talking about Shanshai now, I'm talking about in general. Not for the beach them, not for the little spots them. As some business where you can just walk in and go, alright, yo, make a quickly jump into the boat and move off, you know? Enough of them are left from some place, right, where no spotlight no depend. Enough of them are left from some place where supposed to be, right, private property. So the police now go just casually walk past and catch them. This so you have to be acting on intelligence, or somebody have to go point you to the exact spot. You think the police just accidentally walk out the whole of Portland and buck up in the hut? Them get point to the exact spot. But no for the trade them 116 deal with. Because them can't do it by themselves. Because them not do the dirty work. Them not jump on the boat themselves. So what happens is, you have to bring in man and man. And when you bring in man and man, things start to get ugly because man and man start get ready. Man and man start say, well, alright, if we get one £3,000 and we make this amount of money and then we get by this, I wonder if we just take one 500 and no one not going to notice, or even if they notice, it a good because our police or it a good because our next man thief it. And then that kind of scheming trigger off man and man to start war, and next thing you know, place get hot. The same thing apply whether it want to be scamming, whether it want to be diet court game, whether it want to be mobile, send catching, extortion, bus park money are the same thing. This is what happens when LIQs get involved in a crime. So you'd find say 116 did it. I met them big time operations on Jamaica in the dark. But then slowly but surely, as more men start coming for the operation, them start hit the point of diminishing returns because the little man they know they on the phone and say, yo, alright, 8 o'clock, Simon I will bring it, and they just hold up on Simon and take all the things they seen, and then you see what happened with Natty. So that's how the ugliness and the violence come into it. I'm telling you, LIQs can only prosper for so long. Them born to start one broke each other foot and eat each other food, that's how it go. From them see something to make, right? And them start sniff the money, them start plot, yo, I could me food now. And then man get revenge, and next thing you know, you have Moby. So, I still want to know what going for their brother there. When I tell her talk to, if it's a policeman, when they know, what happened to him, all I go on I could have him stay on a leak. So much more to this story. But the good thing about it is, enough of the investigations are being carried out by town police. That's good. When me hear that, I say that's good. Because the local man them, enough of the local man them, obviously them hands dirty. That's obvious. You don't take a genius to say that. Right? And even from Portland I said that's what them glad about. Say enough of the investigation, enough of the police that them are seen at the place and new police. I could see it play out now. As I say, I don't know 100% what go on, but it looks spooky. Very spooky. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up himself. PIA don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.